Welcome, Looking Good Cottonwood participants. I'm Trevor Faust, the Fitness Center Supervisor. Today we're going to be going over the body fat calculator. So I'm going to go down here to my files, and you're going to go to Documents, and you're going to look for the LGC Blueprint calculators in your downloads. If you saved the file, it'll be here in your documents, somewhere up in here. So we're going to open that calculator up. So this is the first page that you're going to see. This is the body fat calculator. Now it is gender specific. Females here in the pink and males here in the blue. This is what a body fat calculator, a body fat caliper looks like. And it's going to help you, it's a tool used to calculate body fat percentages to see what your body composition is. And that's essentially, we're trying to figure out what your fat mass is so we can calculate what your lean body mass is as well. So in the future videos, we're going to talk about lean body mass. You can see this tab here. When you click it, this is a lean body mass calculator, but that's for the next video. We're going to get into that later in video number 2. I do recommend the AccuMeasure for your body fat caliper. I believe you can pick them up on Walmart, or you could even get them on Amazon.com. I think they're approximately $20. Definitely worth the investment. AccuMeasure has its own body fat measuring system, so you're welcome to use their system, or you can take the 7-site method. It just gives you a little extra sites to measure from, and then you can plug that information into these cells with your age here at the top. You just plug that information in, and it will calculate everything for you, so you don't have to do the formula or anything. Now here are links to your gender specific instructional videos on how to take a caliper, measurements. So go ahead and watch those if you're going to take the 7-site skin fold method. If you choose to use the AccuMeasurement method, that's okay too. Or even if you wanted to use the diagram to guesstimate your body fat, we want at least a reference point. I would prefer if you use the 7-site method because it's going to be a little bit more accurate. But again, the ultimate goal is not for accuracy. It's for to be used as a reference point, if you will. So moving forward, find a helper that can help you mark the body fat, the 7 sites on your body. And if you look at, if you mouse over on the cell, like this one here, it says 3 diagram skin fold measurements taken half the distance between the nipple and the upper portion of the pectoral muscle at the armpit. So it gives you a pretty good description on where exactly you're going to take that measurement, and between this and the video you're going to have a really good idea of where to start. Now I do recommend taking multiple measurements. That's why I have these 3 columns here for 1, 2, and 3, so you get an average here on the right. That way you get the best out of 3. Anyhow, moving forward, it is imperative that you figure your body fat percentage out, because we're going to be using your lean body mass to figure out how many calories you should be intaking during the program. This program isn't just a workout or contest program. It's more of a lifestyle change. So make sure that you're having an open mind, and you're trying to learn new things during the program. With knowledge comes understanding, and that's the whole point of the program. We're trying to give you more knowledge so that you can understand the reasons behind what we're doing here with the Looking Good Cottonwood program. So with that said, it's pretty simple. Let's just put my age here in the top. I'm just going to go through the first few measurements. I'm not going to put them all in for time's sake. So here, let's see, 8 was 1. I got 9.2, and then I got a 9. So there's the average, and this was done on my chest specifically. And then you would want to go on to abdomen, thigh, etc. That is the conclusion of the body fat calculator. If you do have any questions and you need more in-depth instructions, please send me an email. I'm happy to respond and answer your question. And until next time, I'll see you in video number 2.